In this video, you will see how to add location symbol in WPS Office. You can add the location symbol and move it anywhere. You can also resize the icon according to your need. It's very easy. WPS Office by default doesn't have the option to insert the location symbol. However, there is one trick we can use that to insert the location symbol. You need to go to the google.com and then search for location symbol. Now scroll down a little and you will see this website flaticon.com. Just click on this location icon and symbols option. And you will see here many location icons. So you can scroll and go through different location symbols and then click on any one you like. Here you will see the option of copy PNG. So just click on this option and the symbol will be copied. Now go back to the WPS Office document and paste the symbol. You can resize the symbol by dragging through its end like this. But remember that at present this symbol can only be moved at left, center and right. You cannot freely move this symbol. To freely move, click on the symbol. Click on Picture Tools option here. Under the wrapping text style, select the option in front of text. Now you can hold the symbol using a mouse click and move it anywhere freely in the WPS Office document. Now check out this useful video related to symbol in WPS Office. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.